Write a Python program to check whether the given number is even or not. Understand the concept of decision making in the Python if-else condition. Hello, this is Sharda and we are going to discuss how to write a Python program to check whether the given number is even or not. Before writing the program, first we will discuss the concept of decision making in Python. So we have separate article for the decision making concept. You can click here and you can go to this article and you can see what is the decision making in the Python. First thing you should clear, in the Python there is no curly braces. Like if you write if-else condition in a programming language like C, C++ or Java, then what you will do, if and you will provide a condition and after that you will write the curly braces, and inside the curly braces we will write the code that is inside this condition, this particular if condition. But in the Python it's not like that. In the Python there is no curly braces. So how we will distinguish the block of code, the code that is fall under the if condition? So what we will do, we will use here the concept of indentation. So if, and then we will write here the condition and then colon. Colon means in the continuation of this if condition, and statements which fall under the if condition we will write at the equal level from the left to right. Like here we have taken this space. From left to right we have taken, like you can take the 3 space or you can take the tab, but equal number of space or equal number of tab we will take here. Like here statement if condition, this statement, this else, these statements are inside this first if condition. So all the statements at the same level. When you want to exit from if condition, you will provide a backspace and then write the code at the same level where our if code. Again you can see that here this is the block 1. Again you can see one more if condition inside this if condition. If condition colon, and then we have shifted the statements from right side. We have shifted the statements from left to right side. So as many statements you will write inside this if condition should be at the same level. You will be more clear with the program. So this is called the indentation. And if you are not clear with the indentation, then you will face so many errors when you are going to execute the program. There are the lots of IDs that will provide automatically, they will adjust the indentation. Like we are using here the Jupyter Notebook, it is automatically give the indentation. Now come to the Python decision making. Decision making is, it decides the direction of the code in a programming language. So like whatever the condition we are providing inside if, it will check condition is true. If condition is true, then it will execute the code inside that particular condition. You can see this flow diagram. We will start our program, and if we write a condition, if condition is true, then it will execute the code inside the if body. And if condition is false, then it will execute the statements just below the if. And then we will exit our program. Now come to our program, write a Python program to check whether the given number is even or not. For this, what we need to do, first we will take a user input. And then we will write a if condition. If number is divisible by 2, remainder equals to 0, then we can say number is even, otherwise we can say number is not even. So here I have written the code taking a user input and then converting it to the integer. And if number, a remainder sign, divide by 2, if remainder equals to 0, then we can say number is even. And whatever the statement you are writing inside the if should be at the same level that we have print. You can write the multiple statements inside this if condition. When you go backside like else, we are writing here else, we pressed one backspace and then we have written the else. So else and if at the same level. And inside the else we have written number is not even. So this is the simple if condition we have provided, and we are checking a number is divisible by 2 or not. You can run this block by hitting shift and enter, and it is asking you for a user input. So here I'm giving input 13 and you can see 13 is not even number. Again I can run this block and now I'm providing a number 12 and you can see 12 is a even number. Now I think you should clear with the decision making, indentation and how to write a program in the Python to check a number is even or not. I hope you liked it. Give thumbs up if you liked video. If you have any question or any recommendation for the next upcoming videos, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time.